According to the INTERNACHI Home Inspection Standards or Practice, the home inspector shall inspect from the ground level or the eaves the roof covering materials, the gutters, the downspouts, the vents, flashing, skylights, chimney and other roof penetrations, and the general structure of the roof from readily accessible panels, doors, and stairs. The inspector shall describe the type of roof covering materials, asphalt shingles on this one. The inspectors shall report as in need of correction, observed indications of active roof leaks, and the inspector is not required to walk on any roof surface, predict the service life expectancy of the roof, inspect underground drainage pipes for the downspouts, remove snow, ice, or other conditions that prohibit the observation of the roof, move insulation, inspect antenna, satellite dishes, lightning arresters, de-icing equipment, or similar attachments on the roof. And the inspector is not required to walk on any roof that appears in the inspector's opinion to be unsafe, walk on any roof areas if doing so might, in the inspector's opinion, cause damage, perform a water test, warrant or certify the roof, or confirm proper fastening or installation of any roof covering material.